Here we got an AMPEG BA115 HP. Somebody gave it to me to fix, and I was getting a fuzz sound, and you can hear it. Actually, it sounds kind of cool. That was the effect, but there's a trim pot right here. And you just toggle it. That fuzz sound will go away. So let's listen to it now. Sounds better. There's a rattle because it's not plugged in. I want to tweak it just a little bit more. Sounds pretty good. You gotta be very careful, because if you max it out, it's going to blow the fuse. Too much power will go to the transistors or something. But it seems to be working now, and I'm gonna put it back together and let my friend know.